Okay, if we weren't able to follow that stop motion there, I'm going to give you a little video clip here as we go through and try and solve the equation 2 times the quantity x plus 3 minus 5 equals 3x minus 4x plus 7. Okay. The first step was to do the distributive property, so we're going to do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 2 times the x and the 3. So we're going to get 2x plus 6. And then after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to bring down everything else that's in the equation. Minus 5 equals 3x minus 4x plus 7. Okay. If we go back, the next step in the process is going to be to combine any like terms that are on the same side of the equation. Okay, on the left side, you're going to notice that we have a 6 and a negative 5, so we can combine those and make 1. So we're going to have 2x plus 1 equals, okay, we can combine the 3x and the negative 4x, and we're going to get negative 1x plus 7. Okay. Once we have combined our like terms, we're going to look and see if we have variables on one side of the equation. Since variables are on both sides, we're going to go ahead and combine those. The way we do that is by adding or subtracting one of the variables to one of the sides to eliminate it. So if we add x to this side and we add x to this side, negative x plus x cancels out. Okay. When we add these, we get 3x plus 1 equals 7. Okay. Now, this brings us back to our two-step equations. Okay, so at this point, we need to undo addition or subtraction. So we're going to undo adding 1, so we're going to subtract 1 from either side. Okay. Positive 1 minus 1 is 0, so we're going to get 3x equals 6. Oops, sorry, let me move that up for you. And then at this point, we're going to go ahead and divide by 3 on both sides, because we have multiplication. We need to undo addition, or excuse me, undo multiplication or division. So we're going to divide by 3, divide by 3. 3's cancel out. We get x equals 2. Sorry about that. Okay. And then we're done. So once again, that's how we solve an equation with variables on both sides. So if I come back, I can run through some of the steps for you. Okay, we first started off with, we used the distributive property. In order, we distributed the 2 to the x and the 2 to the 3. We got 2x plus 6 and brought down the rest. Minus 5 equals 3x minus 4x plus 7. Next, we combined any like terms that were on the same side. So we had positive 6, negative 5, which gave us positive 1, as well as we had 3x minus 4x, which gave us the negative x. Okay, we had to get the variables to one side, so I added x to both sides so we could cancel these x's out. And we got 2x plus x is 3x, we brought down the plus 1 and the plus 7. After that, we needed to undo addition or subtraction. Okay, so we subtracted 1 from both sides, and we got 3x, the 1's canceled out, equals 6. And we needed to undo multiplication, so we divided by 3 on both sides. And we got, after the x is canceled out to 1, we get x equals 2. And we're done. Hope you enjoyed this presentation of solving equations with variables on both sides.